Tonight I am going to run through the products with you that you got in your kit and show you how to use them. So this will be fun, right? So basically, just as a brief reminder, I know that Pam mentioned it, but inside of your beauty book, this is actually lined out for you already in which order you're supposed to be using these products. So this is what that page looks like, which is page 18. And you have an AM line and a PM line. And so the products that we gave you are in this line, starting with the cleanser, exfoliating tonight and Thursday night. And then the climate control, and of course the moisturizer after that. So if you do get forgetful as to the most thing that's going to get confused is the climate control and the moisturizer. So climate control goes first, then moisturizer, either on your day or nighttime routine. So this is what we're going to do. First, I'm going to take off my makeup. And the reason why that is important is because if you don't take off your makeup first and then cleanse your face in a two-step process, then your residue of your makeup when you cleanse your face is still going to be there. So you have to take off your makeup. You can't do a one and done with a makeup wipe, even though people like to do that, because it won't allow your pores and everything that you're trying to cleanse out to actually happen, okay? So you have to take your makeup off first. So whether you're using a liquid or a makeup wipe, either is sufficient, especially if you're using Senegence products because they have that long-lasting color technology. The makeup's gonna stay there. I've had this makeup on since like 6 a.m. And as you can see, all my eyeshadow still on, my eyebrows, all the good stuff. So you have to like have something decent to like take that off, right? So I like to use this just on my eye makeup part. And I just start rubbing it around like this. Ooh, pretty, right? And I'm gonna turn on my water slightly so I can start warming that up. And then a little on this side. Okay. And basically what I'm doing is I'm breaking down my mascara. I wear waterproof mascara, so it takes you don't want it to come off all day with any perspiration or anything that happens with your eyes, so then you gotta kind of rub it out at the end of the day, but that's worth it. Okay, so so now that was my eye makeup coming off. Now I could use a wet rag to remove it, or I'm just gonna grab one of these wipes because it's convenient. These and these are the same thing. They're just in two different formulas. So you can get liquid or you can get the rag. Or you could throw it on your floor like I just did. Oopsie. Okay, so I'm just taking off my makeup here. I'm going to get a little bit of cleanser. And I'm literally going to use a tiny little bit. It's like a pea-sized amount, and it is, it's running down my hand, but it's like a little bit, okay? Pea-sized amount. You want your water to be, hey Abby, you want your water to be warm but not burning hot. So warm water, not burning hot.
Hi.
Hi. And we're going to use the 3-in-1 cleanser. So that is cleanser, toner, and a light exfoliant all in one. Instead of using 3 steps, is a 3-in-1.
What are you doing?
I'm washing my face.
Oh.
Okay, so warm water, but not burning hot, okay? And you're just gonna get your face nice and wet. Then you're gonna take that little bit of cleanser that's now spread all over my hand and start rubbing it together so that you can get a lather going. Okay? Now, when you're in the shower and you have like a lot of water, this will lather up like a lot. But for some reason, when I wash my face at the sink, it doesn't lather quite as much. Now I'm gonna rinse my face really quick.
Haha, I get the camera now. Now, only can film me.
Okay, be nice, Abby. Okay, so after you rinse your face, while it's still damp, if you want to prevent all the water from running down your top, you can use this to kind of wipe yourself down, okay? Because I hate that. Personally, that's the worst part about washing your face is all the water goes right down your top. Okay, so now my face is still damp. Y'all can see that.
Can I feel?
No, Abby, get out of here.
Okay.
I'm going to, this is the resurfacer, which was that sandy stuff in your pack. Okay, we're going to use that tonight. If you haven't already used it this morning, then we're going to use it tonight because I'm going to show you how, okay? So you're going to take the tiniest little bit. That's all I use. Again, everything's going to last you quite some time because you don't have to use a lot, okay? So then I just kind of put it on my fingers like this, and I just start rubbing it in. Don't go crazy, okay? You'll feel that it's gritty. And what happens is as you exfoliate, you'll start to feel that grittiness starts getting smaller and smaller.
It looks like it's a face mask, kind of.
So you want to do your neck too, and if you are in the shower when you're doing this, I go all the way down. I do my whole décolletage, or décolletage, what do you call it? I don't know. You know what I mean. I just go all the way down here. Whoop. Taking care of all the stuff. Your neck is one of your places that shows aging first because people neglect it. So just whatever you do on your face, take down your neck. Okay, so you're just working it in. Don't go too close to your eyes. And you'll feel it getting less and less rough. Especially if you have sensitive skin, you guys, you have to be gentle with your skin, okay? And if it's a little tiny bit red when you're done, that will go away. Don't freak out. It's because you're removing all of this dead skin cells off of your face. And tomorrow night, Pam is going to do a video on why that's so important to remove that nasty dead surface off of your face. So make sure you guys watch that one too. That's going to be tomorrow night, 7. Wait, Abby. So, okay, I'm using the same rag now. I just got it wet, and I'm going to wipe it off. Again, this helps the exfoliation as well as not allowing the water to all go down your top. Who else hates that? Who hates rinsing their face and it goes down their top? Definitely I do. Give me a little hand if you hate water going down your top like that.
I don't like it either. When it gets in my shirt, it gets my shirt all wet.
Exactly, your shirt does get wet, you're right. Okay, so I'm just going in one more time. Make sure I get all the stuff off my face. Okay. And once you do this, you guys are going to feel like you have a brand new face, I promise. Literally going to be like smooth as a baby's bottom.
As a baby's bottom.
You like that, huh? Yep, smooth as a baby's bottom. Okay.
Oh yeah, your face is smooth.
Approved by Abby, right? So now it's official. Okay, so now we are going to move on to the climate control. Excuse me, can you please move?
Yeah.
Thank you. So you have it in the little blue pack. It says climate control on it, and this is what it's going to come like in the full formula if you decide to get it, okay? So this stuff has hyaluronic acid in it. If you don't know what that is, it's a really great ingredient. Hyaluronic acid is what cushions in between the levels of your skin. And so this is like the purest form of moisture that you can get. They use it on victims who are burned by fire because it helps their skin to start to heal. So it's super good stuff. It's anti-aging, but it's also good for all skin types. Excuse me. It can be used on eczema, rosacea, all of those things to help balance out the pH levels. Okay, so you're going to use about, you Okay, I'm going to use about 3 full pumps, just like that. And this will be enough for your face and your neck.
Can I put some on?
So remember, do the face, down the neck. Not right this second, but you can after, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so once you get this in your face, remember, yes, it's anti-inflammatory and it holds moisture. So once you get this on your face, remember the particles, and you'll feel this. It feels very lightweight. So the particles are very small so that they can penetrate deep into your skin, which means that they're also small enough that they can evaporate back off. So that's why we put the moisturizer on top of it. This is the evening moisturizer. Now, when you use this tonight, you're going to notice the difference between the daytime and the evening, okay? Because this one is going to feel a little thicker and a little more rich, meaning like it's not oil, but it has botanicals and things in it, and you'll feel the difference, okay? So again, all over the face and down the neck. Now, I know some people say to go up because your muscle memory. But I say if I get it on, I'm ahead of the game on myself. So if you can remember all the things to go up, great. If you can't, just get it on your neck. And now, this is a bonus, okay?
Now that.
And I say it's a bonus because it's a product that's not in your pack, but I always love to share it because every girl over 25 needs an eye cream. We don't have samples of this, or we would put it in there for you, but I just want to show it to you. It looks like this.
It's
purple. And it's weighted so that when you put it on your eyes and then you go to sleep at night, you build the fluids up underneath, and that's how you get the puffy bags. Because when you're sleeping, you have your eyes closed and you're not blinking, which evaporates the tears out of your eyes, okay? So it all just sits there and then it pools. So this helps to reduce that because it's a little weighted. And the ingredients that are in it draw some of that out. And this is where we get all the fine lines and wrinkles first, because this part of our skin right here, girls, is very thin. And it's very, it's thin and it's, I can't think of the word. Anyways, so that's why I just am giving you that little bonus tip that if you're 25 and older, you need an eye cream. And when you wear this during the day, depending on your age, okay, it can reduce the drag when your makeup gets caught up in the little fine lines. You could see I have something right here. See those little lines starting? So I like to use a little bit of it during the day because then when I put my makeup on, it doesn't get all caught in the little lines. Now you do have to use a little bit because it's potent like everything else in line. So just, you know, be kind to yourself and use a little tiny bit and be gentle with your skin, okay? So that is everything, the whole kit and caboodle that you got. The only difference between day and night is going to be the moisturizer. So during the day, you're going to use the one that says daytime, but the exact regimen is the same. Now, remember the exfoliator, which was the sandy stuff, we're only using, if you already used it this morning, great. If you didn't, do it tonight. And then we're going to do it one more time on Thursday night. So you cannot use this every night, okay? This is an exfoliator. You only want to use it once to twice a week, okay?